Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Nearly there at the daily candle close. It seems like everybody who's been, with us on this channel for a while, it's wave 4 Saturday again. Yeah, it's boring Saturday again because I can already tell you it's most likely going to be boring. Obviously, never guaranteed, but last few weekends were quite boring, especially the Saturday. And that's typically the case when we are in a wave 4 or entering a wave 4 when we are heading into the weekend. And as you can see here clearly, we have a possible wave 4, which is a wave which is here highlighted in blue. Now, it wouldn't be a Saturday without a wave 4, really. So therefore, that's what we expect here. I go back to the 1 hour chart. So first of all, for everybody who's new on this channel, we are currently bullish on Bitcoin, as long as it's holding our support areas. Yeah, it has been doing that now for a while. And since it turned around on the 10th of March, we've seen that upside that we wanted to see. Yeah, this was basically confirmation that bear market lows get much less likely, just in a nutshell. Of course, there's a bit more to it. We've seen it across this advance of the 10th of March low. A lot of impulses with only shallow retracements. That's typically a bullish sign, as I posted on Twitter. Now, we have seen that and we are currently pushing on higher because we did hold all of our micro support levels. So I did take them off the chart now, did hide them because we don't need them at the moment. They're not relevant anymore. We're currently focusing here on this micro support level. And based on this, if we are holding the 50% retracement, which is at 29,130 pretty much, plus minus a couple of dollars, doesn't really matter, then we can hold the pattern, and it means we can focus generally on higher. But we're currently seeing a bit of a correction here, and that's no surprise because, we're waiting for a wave 4 pullback. Because on a Saturday, we tend to see it, and we had minimum requirements for this fifth wave in yellow complete. Now, looking at this pattern in a wave 4, first of all, before we go into the micro count here, generally what we expect, as long as we're holding 29,130, we can go with this particular wave structure, which would eventually escalate higher. Yeah, we take it level by level. But, I wouldn't be surprised to see the 45K. But this would be one of the more bullish perspectives here. Yeah, at the moment, I see no reason to highlight that this move up is finished. But I possibly will have a reason if we drop below 29,130. We would then most likely fall back here into the 28.5K region. And if we lose support after support, and come back to the green support area down here and lose 17.5K, that is when new bear market lows will be on top of the agenda. It really will take, based on market structure, it will take a move down to 17.5K and a break of the same level to confirm new bear market lows. Until then, yeah, probabilities will increase for new bear market lows as we take out several support areas, but it's really the 17.5K level that will decide. And that's the main pivot point. Because of that, we have a lot of support areas in between new bear market lows and the current price action, which is quite bullish. Price is currently behaving bullishly, which is why I'm not really focusing on the bearish count, but we obviously need to know about it. We need to know what can kill us, right? So always. Okay. But generally, the focus remains on higher. And the focus remains on higher as long as we're holding 29,130. Now, what we've seen here is possible. Well, this is a 5-wave move. Yeah, this is a pretty clear 5-wave move. The question was just in the previous video, was wave 5 complete? Or was it the first wave of the 5th wave? Yeah, the first wave, so that we can extend it higher. But it doesn't matter so much. The important thing is we've seen now an impulse down, which looks like an A wave of a correction. We are now going to see a B wave, as it seems. That would be a 3-wave move. And then a C wave down. The C wave is normally has a nice structure, right? The A wave doesn't really have a great structure typically because it happens very fast. The C wave has normally a nice structure, and it could be that we need the weekend to complete it. The 4th wave, yeah? So I wouldn't be surprised to see eventually come down a little bit lower here. Do we need it? No. As long as we're holding support, that's fine. But it would be likely, given that we're heading into the weekend and given that the move down looked quite impulsive. So I'm looking here for a larger 3-wave pullback. With impulsive, I mean, this subdivided, let's say, in an impulsive way. So very fast, small 5-wave structure. And and a wave A in a zigzag correction, that's one of the corrective wave patterns in Elliott wave, the A wave is often impulsive. Okay, then the B wave would move up. What would confirm a direct breakout to the upside? Well, I want to see an advance in 5 waves, which we currently cannot see yet, and needs to move above the 31,050 level. And then next key targets to the upside, yeah, we're talking here about roughly the 33K range. Let's see if we get there, but for now, I think we are going to see a little bit more of a consolidation over the weekend. All right, and that's my update about Bitcoin. I will keep you updated, as you know. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.